Digital marketing tip of the day. So you've got a digital product and you're looking to get yourself some sales. So you've been promoting your digital product by posting videos every single day. Now, you've had no structure to the videos that you've posted. You've just quite simply been told that you should post 3 times a day. So you thought you'd just post up any single video with a trending sound in the background and some text on screen. And so far, that's not generated you any sales. So you've got a great product, but no sales, and you do not know what's going on. You think that you should be getting sales by now, and you was told from other people that they got their sales within a couple of days, and you automatically assumed that the same thing had happened to you. Well, that isn't how it works. Just because somebody else got sales in a couple of days doesn't mean that you are going to get sales in a couple of days just like they did. They are the outlier. They are the person that stands out and had, unusual results, but not typical results. So what's the difference that makes a difference between somebody that makes sales and somebody that doesn't? It's not just the fact that they've got income proof now, because at one point they started with absolutely no income proof, yet they still made sales. Now, if the product's the same and everything else is the same, why aren't you making the sales? And this is where you re-engineer their selling process. See what they're doing on their pages. See how they drive traffic to their pages and implement the same process. Alternatively, there's another way that you can actually start driving sales. You can just use paid advertising, the right kind of paid advertising, because there's a number of different ways you can advertise. But the best thing about paid advertising is that you do not have to worry about driving people to your website through your videos. So it doesn't matter what you post when you use paid ads, because you're just paying to drive people to your offer. And the beauty right now of using paid advertising is the very simple fact that if you search for the keywords in your niche, for instance, go and search digital marketing and check how many people are actually running ads for that particular term, you'll find that very few are, which means the cost is low. So before everybody else jumps on using paid ads to start marketing to people, you can be the person to start using them to promote your product and start generating those sales. Now let's assume that you've got a product that sells for at least £100. Paying £5 a day to market your product is a no-brainer, because a single sale is more than going to cover the cost of the ad. So if you're not already using paid ads, it's something you need to start doing alongside your free marketing. And just to get this into perspective, you spent a lot of money to grab the rights to the product that you can now sell, yet you're currently doing no paid ads. Make that make sense. If the product you bought you believed in enough to pay for it, then why aren't you using paid ads to advertise it and let other people know that you have it? So now you need to start using paid ads, because if it's a strong product, if it's a product that people are going to benefit from, if it's a product that's, educational and many people can benefit from it, start advertising it. Because that's the only thing that's limiting how much money you can make from your product, the number of people you can get to your site to be able to buy it. I know. Free advertising's free. It doesn't cost anything. You can just do it without making any payments. Yeah, that's true. But the thing about free advertising is it takes time. And if you've got time to spare, by all means, use nothing but free advertising. But it shouldn't be the only way that you market. If you are digital marketing and you are seeing yourself as a digital marketer, you should be using paid advertising alongside the free advertising. Because the free advertising will take time to kick in. It will take time for people to start to get to know you. It will take time for people to start checking out your videos on a regular basis. Whereas if you've got a strong product with a website that converts into sales, and you've got the same kind of website as the person that maybe you purchased your Master Resell Rights from, or your resell rights from, or your licensing rights from, then the only thing you need to do is get people directly to that website, because the website will do the selling and telling for you. All your videos on social media are quite simply to let people know that you've got a website. So in all honesty, you don't actually need to be posting videos. You could quite simply just buy advertising, Send people directly to the website and let the website sell for you. There's actually people that will let you pay to email their list of buyers, and from that you can generate sales. But to be able to email somebody's list and to be able to, show them what you have to have a product that converts. Otherwise, it's not worth spending any money on the advertising. And if you bought the product, that shows that maybe you might just have a strong product. So the question is, why aren't you advertising it? Why aren't you paying to put it in front of more people? So right now you've got very little competition when it comes to marketing your digital product, because nobody's really using paid ads, which means right now the cost is low. But the more people that find out about using paid ads to market digital products, the cost is eventually going to go higher. So get in there before anybody else is doing it. Start marketing your digital products while you can cheaply. Start doing your testing right now and start seeing where you need to improve your website, to improve your conversion of the site. Then you can start marketing even more and driving more sales. So if you've got a digital marketing product with master resell rights, licensing rights, or a digital product or service that you sell that you created yourself, then start marketing it. Start learning how to do advertising for that type of particular product and get it in front of more people.